1. Distinguish aluminum profiles by style and various lengths. To place the aluminum profiles in the corresponding positions, according to the serial numbers, and then place the different connectors in the corresponding positions to start assembly. 3. Put the C-shaped sealing clip into the groove of the marked aluminum profile. 4. Drive screws with washers into each connector position. 5. Install the sealing, secure the light frame, and place the light bulb. 6. Connect the power cord, and the installation is complete.